I simply don't have enough stickers for messages. I love turning photographs into these little cute stickers that you can send to your friends and family, and you can even attach them to messages. I'll show you how to do it at the end. Well, I've got a photo here of my new MacBook Neo, and it would make a cool sticker to send to people in the chat. So what I'm going to do is simply tap and hold on the subject of the photo. That's the main part that I want to turn into a sticker, and you'll see this little glowing white light appear around the edge. On the pop-up menu in the middle, you're also going to see Add Sticker. So let's go ahead and tap on there now. As quickly as that, my MacBook Neo is now a sticker ready to use in messages. It's got rid of the background, it's got rid of all the distractions, it's just the subject of that photo. But if I tap on here, I can actually add an effect, and this is when it can be really fun. We can choose a different variety of things here, some 3D effects that work best when you tilt your phone, the puffy effect, the comic book style, but I just like the simple outline. I think that's really effective for a sticker, so I'm going to choose that one. And now the only thing left to do is to use that sticker in a message. So there are two different ways that we can do this. Now, you could send it as a full screen sticker, so basically like a picture message or a normal message that you send. Just tap the plus button, go onto stickers, and you can just send it straight away here. But what I like to do is to attach a sticker, or pin a sticker, I suppose, onto a message in the thread, either one that's been sent by me or one that I've received. Now I can drag and drop that sticker, and I can place it anywhere in the conversation thread. Then I can rotate it with 2 fingers, I can make it larger or smaller by pinching, and then you'll see it glues into place on the message when I let go. And I guess if I was playing my YouTube game better, I'd have made a subscribe sticker to show you instead. But I guess if you got this far in the video, you might consider doing that anyway. It really helps me grow my channel, and it helps you learn lots more iPhone tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.